Hi, I'm Crystal Ball and I'm with Beauty Control, and if you're seeing this video, we wanted to do a video to say thank you to Beauty Control, and we also wanted to talk a little bit about paying it forward. So as we pan back a little bit, I just picked up my third car from Beauty Control, this beautiful Chevy Equinox 2014, completely free for me and my family. And this is actually the third car that I've been blessed with. The first was the Mustang that you see, the convertible. That was so much fun. Never had a convertible before, and that took me 10 months to earn once I got into the business. And the one that I just picked up a few weeks ago that I know a whole bunch of you are working on is our Mercedes program. And this is an absolute dream to drive. I love driving this one. And so this is our Mercedes C250 that right now any of you can earn. And so, but basically, this is my third car in a little over 4 years with Beauty Control. But here's the great part. It's not the cars. It's the people behind the cars. And to me, these are just visual representations of all that I have earned just because I'm helping someone else. It's about paying it forward. And so these cars are actually people to me. So they are some of the girls on my team, like Carol. Carol's a school teacher. She has 3 girls. Her husband is self-employed, and so work can sometimes go up and down. And so she uses Beauty Control to supplement her teacher income and help them in the summertime to be able to go on vacation. And this month she's actually going to Belize on a mission trip she's earning money for. And then we have another Carol who's a school teacher, and she's getting ready to retire, and her husband want to move to North Dakota and settle down. And so she looks at this as a great opportunity for her in retirement. And then we have Rose. Rose is an amazing lady. She's also retired, and she just absolutely loves to pamper women. And for her, it is absolutely about going and having a girls' night out. And she actually flew for the first time. I know Rose has got to be in her late 50s, 60s. She took a plane for the first time to Celebration a couple years ago. So she's grown so much through Beauty Control. And then we have Kathy. Kathy is a stay-at-home mom. Her daughter has rheumatoid arthritis, so she uses this as a way to help with medical bills and a way for her to get out and have a little bit of socialness, a little bit of relaxation, and to better her family. We have Christina, one of my favorites, and she actually is a school teacher, but she is single. She's young. She's single, no kids, and she really looks at Beauty Control as an opportunity to earn money so that she can give back. You know, if a kid in her class needs shoes, she wants to be able to hand that student some money to go get some shoes. She really has such a heart of gold. And then we have Christy. Christy has 4 kids, and she loves to do family activities, and for her, this is a social outlet and to do family activities. And then we have Jan. Jan is one of my fun ones. She is probably 50s. I guess I don't ask how old my girls are. And she has a hobby to show dogs professionally. And so Beauty Control helps support her dog habit. And plus she's also met some amazing women. And for me personally, when I first started doing Beauty Control, I had terrible skin, lots of acne, lots of scarring, and I really was just looking to better my skin, and I was amazed at how much Beauty Control did that. And the other thing I want to point out is I'm not a real foo-foo girl. I mean, this is how I look day to day, shorts, t-shirt, I'm just missing the ball cap. And so it really is for regular people that are just looking for something different. And if you have somebody in your life that you know is looking for something, whether it's something for them, whether it's something like one of my girls, Shauna, she's so shy. She's a stay-at-home mommy. This has given her so much confidence, and I just see her blossoming behind, you know, the scenes and before my eyes. And so that's something that Beauty Control has done. So if you have somebody in your life that needs something, whether it's money, a social outlet, a tax break, you know, any of these different things, definitely let them know about Beauty Control. If you're in the California area, in Southern California or Central California, look me up. My name is Crystal Ball. Crystal is spelled with a K. If you're somewhere else, go on beautycontrol.com, find someone in your area that can explain the opportunity with Beauty Control. And thank you so much, Beauty Control, for all the many blessings, but more importantly, thank you for empowering me to pay it forward to so many amazing women. Thanks. We'll talk to you soon.